Hello, I'm Caleb Owens, and this is the Insurance Experience. Welcome to this video on the pros and cons of mergers and acquisitions in the property and casualty insurance industry. In this video, we will be discussing the potential benefits and drawbacks of M&A in the insurance industry, specifically as it relates to the property and casualty insurance industry. So let's start with the pros of M&A in the property and casualty insurance industry. One major benefit is that M&A can help insurance companies achieve economies of scale, which can lead to cost savings and improved profitability. This is especially important in the property and casualty insurance industry, where margins can be thin and competition is intense. M&A can also help insurance companies expand their product offerings and geographic reach, allowing them to better serve their customers and increase market share. For example, if two insurance companies specialize in different types of products and insurance casualties such as auto insurance and home insurance, a merger could allow them to offer a more comprehensive range of products to their customers. M&A can also bring complementary strengths and capabilities such as underwriting expertise and distribution channels, allowing the combined company to offer a more comprehensive range of products and services. This can be especially valuable in the property and casualty insurance industry, where there are many different types of risk and exposures that need to be covered. Of course, there are also some potential drawbacks to consider when it comes to M&A in the property and casualty insurance industry. One major con is that M&A can be expensive and time-consuming, requiring significant resources and effort to integrate the two companies. This can be a significant burden for insurance companies that are already stretched thin, and it can also be risky if the merger doesn't go as planned. M&A can also lead to culture conflicts and employee disruptions, as the two companies may have different ways of doing things and may need to reorganize and restructure their operations. This can be difficult for employees who are used to a certain way of working, and also can lead to uncertainty and low morale. Finally, M&A can also raise concerns about concentration in the insurance market and potential negative impacts on competition and consumer choice. If few large insurance companies control a significant portion of the market, it can be harder for smaller companies to compete and offer competitive pricing, which can be detrimental to consumers. So those are some of the pros and cons of M&A in the property and casualty insurance industry. As you can see, there are potential benefits and drawbacks to consider when it comes to mergers and acquisitions. Insurance companies need to carefully weigh these factors to determine if it's good for the business. Now, as you know, from a consumer side, it can be very detrimental because we've noticed this and seen this happen over the course of many years. And now what you have is you have a very few number of companies that control the entire U.S. market. This is not just in the property and casualty industry, but this goes throughout our entire lives as Americans. They pretty much, a few handful of companies control everything that we eat, consume, insurance, down to the clothes we wear. Everything is controlled by a handful of companies. There obviously is some benefits to having this. The detriment is smaller and fewer choices, higher prices. That definitely is something that we've witnessed in the property and casualty insurance industry. I'm sure that there's a lot of benefits to this, as I pointed out here in this video as well. I hope this video you found is very helpful. Thank you for watching.